Get a feel for the 2018 Chevrolet Colorado. With less than 35,000 miles on the Colorado delivers the power you need to get the job done, the comfort and amenities you want, and the fuel efficiency that just makes sense in today's world. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, remote engine start, bed liner, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, V6 cylinder engine, backup camera, satellite radio. Don't miss out on comfort just because you need a pickup. Get the best of both worlds in the Colorado.